Week 10 postpartum feels like someone pressed fast forward on your life. One day you were tracking diapers and naps, and the next you are trying to squeeze pumping sessions between back-to-back meetings, figuring out how to function on 4 hours of sleep and still make it home for bedtime. If you've returned to work or you're about to, this is one of the hardest pivots of the entire postpartum season. The good news? You don't have to white knuckle it. This week is about building systems that protect your body, your milk supply, and your sanity. Hi, I'm Sherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse. This is week 10 of the Postpartum Recovery Roadmap series. A 12-week series that takes you step by step through the 4th trimester so you don't have to guess or Google your way through it. And since this is the week most career moms hit supply dips and burnout, I created the Return to Work Pumping and Logistics Planner inside my free private resource hub for career moms. It includes sample schedules, bottle math, and even ready-to-use workplace scripts. Grab it through the link below. By 10 weeks, your body looks like it's healed. No stitches, no bleeding, no incision pain. But that doesn't mean you're fully restored. Here's the physiology. Pelvic floor is still rebuilding tone after carrying weight for 9 months. Long days standing or commuting can trigger heaviness or leakage. Many moms still have diastasis recti. That's abdominal separation. Without awareness, every time you carry your pump bag or twist to grab the car seat, you strain those healing tissues. Sleep debt. It's cumulative. Even if you've adapted to night wakings, your nervous system hasn't. That's why you hit walls at odd times of the day. Your circadian rhythm is fragmented. And let's talk lactation. Week 10 is infamous for supply dips. Why? Cortisol spikes. Your body doesn't know the difference between workplace stress and being chased by a lion. Both suppress oxytocin, the hormone that lets milk flow. If you've noticed pumping output shrinks, it's not because you're failing. It's because stress is literally clamping the faucet. Quick check. Have you noticed milk sprays less freely at work than at home? That's cortisol talking. Now, let's talk about the headspace of week 10. Career moms tell me this is when they feel torn in two. Pride in being at work and grief for the hours missed with their baby. Guilt shows up everywhere. Guilt if you miss a feed. Guilt if you miss a meeting. Guilt if you don't feel guilty because you're actually enjoying work again. Here's the clinical truth. Your brain is running 2 full identities in parallel. Switching between mom mode and professional mode costs energy. In neuroscience, it's called cognitive switching costs. It's why you feel drained, even if your day didn't look that busy on paper. And here's another layer. Your nervous system is already stretched thin from sleep deprivation. That's why emotions swing harder right now. Tears at small things, irritability, brain fog. None of these means you're weak. It means your brain is running a marathon without a water break. Ever snap at your partner over something small and thought, this isn't me? That's your nervous system, not your character. This is where systems rescue you. Your pumping rhythm. Every 2.5 to 3 hours, a classic 9 to 5 workday looks like 10 o'clock, 1 p.m., and 3:30 p.m. Consistency protects supply. Miss one? Add 10 minutes to the next, not 30. Let's talk about milk math. Babies average 1 to 1.5 ounces per hour away. So if you're gone 8 hours, plan for 8 to 12 ounces split into bottles of 3 to 4 ounces. Overfilling bottles leads to wasted milk and wasted effort. Pumping posture matters. Shoulders relaxed, back supported, jaw unclenched. Hunching narrows ducts and sabotages output. Think chest open and breathe easy. Pack spares. valves, membranes, flanges, wipes, cooler packs, and yes, a clean shirt. Because leaking through your blouse at 3 p.m. isn't a rite of passage. It's a preventable stressor. And don't forget your team at work. Send one email to HR or your manager confirming pumping times and one to colleagues setting expectations. Clarity prevents awkwardness later. Remember, one bad pump session doesn't mean your supply is tanking. It means you're human. Here's the part that no one tells you. Stamina isn't about hours worked. It's about energy spent. Protect 1 3-hour block of sleep whenever possible. That does more for brain function than scattered catnaps. Eat consistently. Protein plus complex carbs every 3 to 4 hours. This stabilizes your blood sugar, which stabilizes your mood. Microregulation works. 60 seconds of slow exhale breathing before meetings or pumping tells your vagus nerve to dial down the stress. Think of your nervous system like your phone battery. Don't let it drop to 1% before plugging in. Some red flags: fever, breast pain, body aches, equal to possible mastitis. Don't wait. Pelvic heaviness, leakage, or worsening back pain. Not normal. Time for pelvic floor therapy. If dread, panic, or intrusive thoughts dominate most of your day, that's not just work stress. That's a sign that you need support. Week 10 is not about proving you're back. It's about building a system that sustains you. To help, download the Return to Work Pumping and Logistics Planner inside my free private resource hub for career. This will give you the structure you need without the guesswork. The link is below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, because week 11 is all about sustainability, turning survival into a rhythm you can actually maintain, from energy budgets to safe exercise re-entry. If week 11 isn't live yet, watch this video next. I'll share with you the 5 truths about maternity leave that most moms aren't told. You don't earn your strength by doing everything at once. You build it by pacing, protecting, and respecting what your body and mind need. You are not behind. You're building forward. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.